Guys, seriously, this can be a weapon when we die. No, or like we can use it to pick food or pick like.
You did?
Yeah, they're only like 20, but my mom got $80. Don't do that. Where's Prancer?
Where is he?
He went in there.
Okay, so we're out south.
We're outside.
South Mountain. And we're hiking, or we're about to. It's so pretty outside. Will it zoom? Yeah, it will zoom. There's humans over there. I wonder if they'll fall. That'll suck.
You sound sarcastic.
Yeah.
Oh, fudge!
Now we can like stalk them and see what they look like.
They're talking to themselves.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Okay, I got this. I'm so confused on where to go now. Jocelyn is out too. Hi.
Okay. Well, I'm making it complicated. Pizza, come on.
Oh, I don't think you can. Save your Prancer.
It's like people are gonna think like I abuse him with clothes. I feel like that. They think of me being like one of those girls, like he's a purse dog, and he's not. So yeah.
At least it gets kind of easy here.
Sure does. Okay.
Are you sure you don't want the backpack?
We're this far now.
We're not that far.
You really
The car's like right there. Well, I mean, it depends on you, because...
I want Prancer to exercise. Oh, you're a smart puppy. What does that say? It says Yamale. Something like that. Can you, it says like right there.
What? I'm using a cheap camera. Oh, it's so weird every time he faces his butt at me.
Oh, you burp. He burps. He doesn't bark. There's a cave over there. We're gonna go over there. See, there's a human coughing. Do we need to go help them? We should go to that cave. Oh, you burp. Burp, burp. Okay, so shall we go to that cave?
Yes.
Death right now. Come on. Come on. Prancer, come on. Come on. Good boy, come on.
I bought treats or snacks.
No, I brought a treat, but he doesn't get that till lunch. Prancer, are you kidding me? Come here now. Come on. I'm leaving you.
Oh my...
Oh, we can go this way.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
At you?
Bless you.
It's okay, it's just a branch.
Owie.
Oh, I just regretting it. I'm regretting this.
I don't have a hair tie.
Oh, I do.
Okay, good. Do you want to do that right now? We'll observe.
Is this my documentary?
Yes. So we're celebrating our best friend day and we're going hiking.
After like 2 years of talking about it.
Yeah, it's true. Because we wanted to have it earlier, but then we decided to have it around Christmas time.
Hi, Prancer. Yes. You guys are matching.
I didn't even realize that.
Prancer, you're going the slightly more dangerous. Don't follow her.
I'm his mommy. I keep birthday somehow.
That sounds nice. I want a pig so bad.
Can we get a miniature pig?
Yes, we're so getting a miniature pig.
Or a miniature bunny. Miniature bunnies are cute.
Yes. I want to get a normal bunny so they'll grow.
Yeah, but miniature bunnies are small. Like a computer.
But they're expensive.
Everything's expensive. Living on Earth is expensive.
You wanted a bird too.
I do. I love birds.
Yeah, animals shouldn't be expensive.
We made it. Oh, that's much different than when I was here last time. I think. Yeah. It's so pretty.
Picture time on my
There's
portable
Jesus.
camera.
There's Jesus right there.
Jesus.
Who's that? It's pretty. Whoever did this is pretty good. I think.
So pretty. I can't. I don't know what I'm doing.
There's stuff over there.
Don't struggle. Oh, there's a Goodwill tag. Wait, no, that's not a Goodwill tag. Never mind.
What is that?
Can I take him in here? With your mama?
Yes, with your mama. Okay.
This was buildings, I would cry.
Soon that will happen. Because humans keep reproducing.
But it's not. Do you see all this mountain?
Yeah. But humans could knock this down somehow. Okay, so which way do you want to go?
Down, I'm assuming.
Yeah, but like, do you want to go up there? Is that an animal?
Let's go up there then.
Yeah, but like, what's that little thing sticking out?
What if we just walk to the building? Just like, we're hiking and we're lost.
That'd be funny. Yeah, but there's like a little thing right there. What is it's moving, I think. Or is that a rock? Do you see that little thing right there?
Yes, I see it from your camera. Maybe it's just like a little mark.
That's what I was thinking.
Do you want to go up there?
Okay.
You can put a sandwich on the way.
Uh-huh. We made it up here, and now we're having our picnic. With my baby Fancy. I hope this is getting what I'm recording right now. Oh, you're just so beautiful. Yeah, you are. Oh, you tired. Oh, look how cute he is. He's so cute. I love him so much. I would die for him.
I can tell.
So we got up here, and we see that little thing right there.
It's been there for a while too.
Yeah, and I think our eyes are messing with us because it's moving.
No,
What the heck is that?
I saw its paws move. Like it was there, but it's not there anymore.
Yeah, it's real because I can see the figure. You see that?
But why would it stay there for a while?
Animals are in. Oh, it is! It's a little squirrel!
Why would it be there for a while?
It could be a Tom over there, could have food. Okay, so we're gonna go over there to the little creature. I found out that it might be a squirrel because I took a picture of it. And we're gonna go give it some bananas. Yeah.
I'm making noises.
Prancer. Oh, focus. Focus. There you go. Look at his little outfit. It's so cute. Prancer, you're so beautiful. Oh, yes, you are.
He had like 3 faces when I saw him. Put him there. You know my struggle.
We're so determined to go to that squirrel thing. I think it's a squirrel. It looks like a squirrel. I know my animals.
You saw a tail.
She's trying to twerk with her backpack on. Okay, so we went to the squirrel creature and we left the banana. And now we're hiking again somewhere else. Where are you going?
It's going around.
She's making things complicated. And then Prancer's in this backpack thing. I don't know if you've seen it, but it's cool. Well, obviously you haven't seen it, but maybe you saw it somewhere.
I have a hole in my pant. You have 2, so I guess that makes me feel better.
Do you want to show them where Prancer is? You can just, yeah.
Mom, Prancer! Prancer! Prancer!
Probably laying down.
Yes, okay, we got him.
Okay. Yeah. I'm not torturing him, people, okay? He's just tired now, and plus there's dogs over here, and I forgot a leash. So, yeah, he has his collar, though, so that's good, right? But it's so pretty outside.
It is. It's just a pretty day. I don't want it to get sunny yet. Look at that place. It's like half sunny, half not. It is. Some of it's sunny and some of it's not.
The city is, like, over there.
That's so cool and gross. Do you guys have any recommendations for like videos I should do? Like, you should just tell me. Like, I do animal stuff. We're done hiking now, and we're at a restaurant gonna get food without the dog. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I was struggling. She has 3 holes in her pants because of this video.
I do, and if people ask me why I have holes on my butt part, I'm like, why are you looking at my butt?
I think I have 1 too, but it's more near my like thigh area. So don't look that down. Don't look so. I don't know.
Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and leave a like and subscribe, and leave any comments if you have any. Oh, I forgot I have keys. I forgot. Anyways, leave any suggestions in the comments, and I hope you guys enjoyed this.